Seriously? Can you see her face? My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Wenzel 25-liter backpack. So I actually already own one of these, and again, not a sponsor, but I decided that this year I would either gonna upgrade, or if my stuff was getting old and worn out, then I would just buy something similar. So in this case, I bought the exact same thing over Christmas. It cost me about $30 off of the Wenzel website. Actually, they were having a Black Friday sale, and I just love this bag so much. There are some pros and cons. I can already see some differences, definitely, between the new bag and my old bag, but I was excited still to buy the same bag because it held up so good. I seriously go grocery shopping with this bag all the time, every day almost. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So here is what it looks like from the outside, and we're going to be talking about some of the features. I actually looked on the website, and some of the features on all the features on the website are actually listed right here on this little card. So I just thought we would go over what's on this card here, and we can talk about, see if we can see some of those features here on the bag itself. So it just says that it's versatile, multi-use pack is designed for a variety of activities and travel. Zippered front pocket, 25-liter capacity, 10-year warranty, which I'm interested in knowing because I may return my other one. Padded laptop sleeve and organization pockets inside. 2 mesh water bottle pockets, which I love, by the way, for holding my phone. Padded laptop sleeve, that's it. Oh, trekking pole loops. So it's got the trekking pole loops down here. And then it says on the back, the size is 20 inches by 10 inches by 7 inches. Capacity is 1,526 cubic inches. Weight is 1 pound, 2 ounces. Again, this isn't a light pack, but it's great for day packing, right? Hydration compatible with reservoir sleeve and port. Reservoir not included, and that is true. Microfiber lined stash pocket for glasses, electronics, etc. Padded air mesh back panel for ventilation. Adjustable waist belt, adjustable sternum strap, ergonomic shoulder harness. So all of these things make the bag really good, and we'll cover some of the more exciting things that I personally like about this bag. So as you can see in the front, it says it has hiking pole loops down here. I've also used these for clipping bicycle lights onto and just letting them kind of flap in the breeze. Here is the main pocket, and I just use this for like my sunglasses, maybe like a $20 bill or two when I'm going grocery shopping, etc. This is kind of the main pocket in there. I've also used this for groceries when I've run out of room, and there's a ton of loops on the side here for additional storage. You know, if you just wanted to store like some clip-on or lights, or if you have some of those twisty tie things, you can store different things on the outside of your pack, kind of hook it to various areas. So, and then as it was talking about, it's got 2 of the mesh pockets, and you can see here that I really like these because what it does is it covers, you can see there that it covers part of it, and then the other part is mesh. So it's not a total mesh pocket where it could get stretched out. Part of it is still fabric, like the bag here. So this is the pocket, and then you can see some of the mesh backing kind of back here. And that's the same for this other pocket too. They're both exactly identical. So I like these pockets because it covers it with part of the fabric and part mesh in the back for breathability. So it's really nice for like your iPhone to keep it both out of the sun and keep it breathable in the summertime, especially if you're biking in the heat of the day where it's really hot, etc. So that's really nice. And then you have this top pocket, which I actually don't use at all. So this top pocket is mesh. It can turn inside out. So you can see here that it's like almost a felt-like material, really soft for your phone. And it actually has a symbol for your headphones if you just push them through this little slot here. But I don't use this pocket for anything except for an extra hair tie if I need it, because it's just so small and it's hard to reach into when you're biking. It's impossible. So I never use this part of the pack. And then you can see on the back here, it's got these adjustable straps in order to clip eye hydration, camelback, and then all these are padded like your typical padding, but what I like is that they're a little thicker, so it's like they really invested in the padding of the bagging and of the straps on your shoulder, the shoulder straps, you know, so they're really nice and tight to your shoulders, and they have all these adjustments here too. So and then we actually have these adjustments on the top here that I really like, because these are more practical for pulling the pack against your body, and that's made for kind of a more expensive bag, if you know what I mean. So let's flip this around to the front. Here we are. So let's unzip. It just has one main pocket, so there's really nothing else to it. Here's an inner pocket for, say, if you wanted to keep more money or private items in here. It's all mesh. And then what it does is, oh, you can see the actual inner pocket of the felt pocket in here. And you can see in here is the reservoir pocket, or laptop pocket is what they call it. I never used it for a laptop, but it works great for reservoir or keeping cold items, because this is actually really thick material here in the bag itself, so you can keep a lot of stuff in here. And then this is just the one main pocket. You can see all the way to the bottom there. There's no other zippers on the bottom or anything like that. So again, I've already owned one of these. I've done another video about them if you wanted a more in-depth look at my old bag. So then you can see on the bottom here where it's all nice and cushiony, and that's really when you want to look for a pack, a good quality backpack. It's going to have both the cushion on here and in the shoulder straps as well. So it's just key for finding the right one for you, knowing what you want to look for. So that's it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Again, not a sponsor. Thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to hit that thumbs up button if you like this content and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.